Good evening, everyone. So, as you people know, we are here with a new chapter today, and it is exercise 5.6, right? So, till now, we are done with exercise 5.5, and now we are talking about classification of triangles. I don't know whether you have gone for classification of triangles in class 5 or not. So, please let me tell me first that exactly what you have people learned, means have you people gone through the link, have you people gone through the kinds of triangles, yes or no? Okay, doesn't matter. So I'm sharing with you one thing, that the kinds of triangles. Okay, as you people know, the triangle is what? Triangle is having three sides, and it is made up of three sides. It is having three angles, and it is having three vertices. We got to know these basic things. Okay, so here I'm telling you, the a triangle can be classified. Yes, a triangle can be classified into different categories or different kinds on the basis of two things. What those things are? The first thing we have is on the basis of its sides, and second is on the basis of the angles it has. Okay, so on the basis of sides and on the basis of angle, we are able to classify the triangles into different parts. So first we'll talk about sides. Okay, how can we divide the triangles into different parts or different kinds on the basis of sides? So we are coming to the first one. So you people also know one thing, that triangle is what? Of three sides, right? And when we talk about the sides, we are basically talking about the length of the sides. Okay, so here come the three kinds of triangle. On the basis of sides, we are having three kinds of triangle. What three kinds? The first kind of triangle, which is having all the three sides of the same length. For an example, one side is 4 centimeter, another side is 4 centimeter, third side is also 4 centimeter. So what you find here, in this case, all the sides are having the same length. So when all the sides are having the same length, it is actually known as equilateral. Yeah, equal. So from equal, the word becomes equilateral. So we find when all the sides are of the same length, it is known as equilateral triangle. Means all the sides same. You go for the next one here. What you find, that one side is 4 centimeter, another side is 4 centimeter, and one side is actually 6 centimeter. Okay, so in this case what you find, two sides are having the same length and one side is different. Okay, two sides are of the same length and one side is different. So in that case, it is called as isosceles. It is known as isosceles. And there is one more time, when you just go for this triangle and you find here that none of the sides are equal. None of the sides are equal means all the sides are unequal to each other. Means one may be 4 centimeter, another is 5 centimeter, another is 3 centimeter. So what you find, all the three sides are undoubtedly there, but their length is completely unequal. It is a match. So this is actually known as scalene. So on the basis of length of the sides, we are categorizing any angle, any triangle into three parts. So you just see here, first is equilateral, which is having all the three sides equal. Means all the three sides equal, it is called equilateral. Isosceles, when it is having two equal sides, and third one is the different one. And third we have is scalene, which have all the three unequal sides. Three sides are there, but all the three are completely unequal to each other. So on the basis of sides, means length of the sides, we divide the triangle into three angles here, into three triangles. Scalene, isosceles and equilateral. So this is actually, we should get to know that a triangle can be divided into parts. A triangle can be divided into parts because of this. It can be divided into parts because of what? Because of, or on the basis of its sides. So we found on the basis of sides we are having three kinds of triangles: scalene, isosceles and equilateral. And it's so easy for you people to identify even. Equilateral means equal, word comes. So all the three sides are equal length. Isoscalene, it means two. And scalene means none of the side. So here, on the basis of that, we got to know that there are three kinds of triangles. Now, the another basis is actually the angles. So what those angles are means, on the basis of angle, how can we divide the triangle into two parts or three parts? So let me tell you, on the basis of triangles also, we are having three kinds of triangle. On the basis of angle, we have three kinds of triangles. Now comes what? You just see one example here. I have drawn a triangle here. What you find? You just observe all the three angles in this one. This angle is less than 90 degree. This angle is less than 90 degree. How come? Because it is like this, right? It is less than 90 degree. If you take this base and straight line, here again this angle is also less than 90 degree. This angle is also less than 90 degree. So what we find when we are having all the three angles of a triangle less than 90 degree. Remember, it should be less than 90 degree. So when all the triangles or the angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, this is known as acute. Because you people know very well that how many angles we have. We have acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. We have right angle, which is equal to 90 degree. We have obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree. We have straight angle, which is 180 degree. That you people know very well. So basically, on the basis of the angles only we are dividing. So if I take acute angles triangle, means all the three angles are actually acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. All the angles are less than 90 degree. Means all the three are less than 90 degree. So it is known as acute angle. Next one. As you people know that we are having three angles in a triangle. But here you find there is a kind of triangle which is having one right angle. Okay, one right angle and rest all will, whatever they are, we don't care. But basically we know very well that one is actually 90 degrees, so rest of them will be acute angle. So what we find here, that 90 degree, when you take this 90 degree angle in a triangle, if you find one angle is actually 90 degree, this angle, at least one angle is 90 degree, so it will be right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Why right angle? Because it has one angle of 90 degree. One angle is right angle. That's why it is known as right angled triangle. Okay, so we got to know. Now we are going for the third kind of triangle. What it has. So we have gone through acute, we have gone through right. Now we have to go for undoubtedly obtuse. So let's go for a kind of triangle. So you just see, you can easily find this is what? You can easily find this is an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree, right? We can easily get to know that it is more than 90 degree. So what it is obtuse angle. Here when I add these 2 points here, it will form a triangle. But what this angle is? This angle is more than 90 degree. Means this angle is obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degree. At least one angle is supposed to be more than 90 degree. So that particular angle is known as obtuse angled triangle. So angle which is having, so you just see here, acute angle. So when we go for acute angle, here in this find, all the angles are less than 90 degree because it is acute. All the angles are less than 90 degree. So they are called as acute angle. Next is right angle triangle. Actually, it is the time for the children to play. That's why the background sound is coming. Okay, so outside the house, the children are playing. So we are coming for right angle triangle, which is having one right angle. Right angled, so one is right angle. Now, obtuse angled. Obtuse angle triangle means one angle is greater than 90 degree, and this is called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So what we got to know? We got to know that a triangle can be divided on the basis of its angle also, and it is having three angles or three triangles actually on the basis of angles. So one is acute angle, which is having all the angles less than 90 degree. Right angle, one angle is 90 degree, so rest will undoubtedly will be acute only. Next is one angle is obtuse. One angle is obtuse means one angle is more than 90 degree, so it will be obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so now we are coming to the exercise. This was actually the basic thing you people had to go for. Now, completely we are going for the exercise. So what is there in exercise 5.6? Undoubtedly, the questions are going to be related to the angles and the sides, right? So let's go for this one. You just see here, first three are showing that they are talking about the sides. So you just check with the triangle. Triangle with lengths of, the lengths are given of the different side. One is 7, another is 8, another is 9. Means three of the sides are completely unequal. Unequal, they are not similar to each other. They are not similar to each other. So what it will be? It will be scalene. It will be scalene. Why? Because all the three sides are completely different from each other. One is 7, another is 8, another is 9. So as all of them are completely different from each other, so it is called scalene. Now you just see in the next one, B number. AB is 8.7, AC is 7, and BC is 6. So what you find here? In this case also you find one is 8.7, 7 and 6. Means all the three sides are completely different from each other. When all the sides are completely different from each other, so we can call it again scalene. Scalene, why? Because all the sides are completely different. Now coming to number C. Here just see PQ is equal to QR plus PR. Means is equal to 5 centimeter. Means PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 5 centimeter, and PR is also 5 centimeter. Means all the three sides are of 5 centimeter only. So when all of them are 5 centimeter only, means it is all equal. So when it is equal, it is known as equilateral, right? Now coming to DEF, you just check here, all the three are related to the angles. So we'll focus on the angles here. So let's see number D. It is talking about that the angle D is equal to 90 degree. What does it mean by angle D? So here we find one angle is given and one angle in this triangle is actually 90 degree. So what it will be? If one angle in a triangle is 90 degree, means is a right angle, so it will be right angled triangle. Now you just see the next one. In this one you can find one angle is given, angle Y is given, and it is 90 degree, and rest of them are equal. Doesn't matter. If we find that it is having two, means one right angle, so undoubtedly what it will be? One right angle is there, means it is a right angled triangle. Now we'll go for the last one. One angle is 30 degree, another is 70, another is 80. 30, 70, 80. So what we observe? All the three of them are less than 90 degree. All the three of them are less than 90 degree. 30 less than 90, 70 less than 90, 80 less than 90. When all of them are less than 90, means they are acute angles. So when a triangle which is having all the angles acute angles, it is known as acute angled triangle. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 2. It's just a match and you have to find it out, means it is just related to the properties. So what the properties are, you just see. Number 1, three sides of equal length, means it is having a kind of triangle which is having three sides. That is very common, but the matter says it is having all the three sides of equal length. When all the sides are of equal length, undoubtedly the answer will be equilateral. Now comes two sides are of the equal length, it will be isosceles. Okay, all sides are of different length, so it will be scalene. Now, three acute angle means all the angles are acute angles only. It is known as acute angle triangle. One right angle. One right angle means right angled. Okay. One obtuse angle means obtuse angle triangle. But here you just see number 7. One is the right angle and it is having two sides which are equal length. Two sides with equal length. So what we call it as, two sides equal means it is isosceles, and one right angle is there, so it is called right angle. So we call it as isosceles right angle. The same applies here in this one. That one angle is 90 degree and two sides are equal. So it is known as isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles because two sides are equal. Right angle means one angle is right angle, means 90 degree. So we can call it isosceles right angle. Okay. Now coming to the question number 3. Again comes the same question, right? Because the sides, different sides are given. Angle is given and it's having different sides are given and the length of each side is given. So you have to check whether having all the sides equal, two sides equal, or all are unequal. So we'll go for it. 8, 5, 5. We find 1 and 2. This match. So two sides are same. So what it will be? When two sides are same, it will be isosceles. Here you see 17, 15, 8. None of them match. Means it will be scalene. Here you find one is 7, another is also 7. Means 2 is matching. When 2 is matching, we call it isosceles. Here again you see 2 are matching, but along with that it is having a right angle. 2 are matching, along with that is a right angle. So what we call it? Isosceles right angle triangle. In this one you see all the three are matching. So it is equilateral. And the last one we have is 9, 10 and 15. None of them match. So it will be scalene. Coming to question number 4, and it is only the end. So you should have a try on it. Better you people try. That when you take 3 matchsticks, what kind of triangle you are going to form. You people know one thing very well. That one concept I must tell you. That whenever you go for a matchbox and you want to check with all the matchsticks, you will find that all the matchsticks are of the same length, right? So here you can see that if all the matchsticks are of the same length, what kind of triangle it will form. Remember, you have to form a triangle only. You are not supposed to form a quadrilateral or a hexagon or octagon, nothing. You have to form a triangle only. So let's go for it. You just see. You have to take 3 matchsticks. Okay? You have to take 3 matchsticks and you have to form a triangle. 3 matchsticks of the same size. Right. So what it will be? Undoubtedly, here, can you make a triangle with? Undoubtedly, yes. I have 3 angles, means 3 matchsticks, I can easily form it. Right. I can easily, one, another and third. I am having 3 matchsticks and I will able to form it. 4 matchsticks. Are you able to form a triangle with the help of 4 matchsticks? I'm not able to. Seriously, I'm not able to. So not possible. 5 matchsticks. Let's have a try. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, if I have 5 matchsticks, I am able to form it. Right? If you have 6 matchsticks, are you able to do that? Let's have a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I am not able to try. Let's have a try once more. So if you have 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. 5, 6. Yes, we are able to do that. So here what you need to do, go for that, you have to check an idea. You have to take an idea. Means the number of sticks are actually showing you the number of sides. So you have to check with the number of sides, are you people able to form it or not. So here we found if it is odd number 3, 5 and 6, we went through it and we were able to. But 4 matchstick is not helping me out to find anyone. Can we form? Seriously? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we can form it, right? We can form it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just take one matchstick here, another matchstick here, third and fourth. You just have a try. Maybe you're able to do that. Just have a try on it. Okay. So this is actually the exercise which is regarding the lines, and from the lines, angles are formed. From the lines, from the sides, triangles are formed, and the triangles are actually on the basis of two things. One is a side. One is the side and another is the angle. So on the basis of angle we have 3. On the basis of sides we have 3 kinds of triangles. Okay, I hope you remembered. I hope you learnt it. You can also take the reference of your book, because I am teaching from the book only. Why? The reason is only one. It will help you out where it is mentioned. So you can check here. It is also mentioned there. Just go for the recap from your book and you will get to know that everything is learnt. Okay, so now please tell me, do you have any doubt? If yes, just let me know. If no doubt, so we can leave the class. Fine? Just waiting for an answer. Waiting for an answer. Yes or no? Any doubt, please let me know. If no doubt, that's very good. If no doubt, that's very good. Okay, fine. That's great. Okay, so now we can leave the class. Fine. We can leave the class now. Thank you so much. Thank you.